Okay, these will be some elevators in Terminal East at Denver Airport. We got some Montgomery Kones, and the speaker is right above me, so that's lovely. We got this elevator though. Here's your cab view. Pretty typical, just like all the other elevators here in the main terminal. New indicator on the other side though. Replacement indicator. To 6. This indicator is still original. Back down to 1. Door close works. We're at 1. And then oop. Okay. Door reopened for some reason. Here we go. Chime ain't working. Oh, it didn't even register my call. Here we are at 5. Perfect. And music is still right above me. There it goes.